Hello guys. I am back with another video sharing 100% real payment proofs from Xtream Battle App. I received 100% secure payment proof, and I can assure you that this app is very legit. They always give payment within 24 hours of time, so you can trust them completely. Let's dive right into the video without any delay and see the proof for yourself. A few days ago, I created a video about the Nepali online earning app, Xtream Battle. In that video, I provided detailed information on creating an account and how you can use the application to earn money. If you are new here in this video and you haven't joined the application yet,
now is the perfect time to do so. I have provided the application link in the video description. You can visit through my link. Join now and unlock your earning potential.
You can easily withdraw your earnings through Esewa, Khalti digital wallet, IME Pay account, UPI account, or bank transfer within 24 hours. In this app, you can earn money by participating in tournaments like PUBG, Free Fire, Ludo, Carom, Snake Ladder, and more. Now, let's discuss the withdrawal process. Open the app, go to your account, and check your balance. I have 100 rupees, and I'll show you how to withdraw it. Click on the wallet option, and you'll see your win money, which is what you earned from playing games. To withdraw, go to the withdrawal section. You can choose various options like UPI, Esewa, Khalti, IME Pay, My Pay, and mobile recharge. Note, to withdraw money, you need to have a minimum balance of at least 100 rupees in your account. You can easily withdraw money if you have 100 rupees in your account. I am currently in Nepal and I will show you by withdrawing money using my IME Pay account. Choose the IME Pay option. Enter your IME Pay number. Then, input the amount you want to withdraw, and then proceed with the transaction. And it will take 24 hours to process. After 24 hours, you will get a notification on your phone confirming the successful transaction. After receiving the payment from Xtream Battle within 24 hours, you can check the details by clicking on the payment record. I cashed out 230 rupees total money from Xtream Battle App through Esewa. I made two withdrawals, first withdrawal 120 rupees and second withdrawal 110 rupees. I earned this money by playing and winning a Ludo match. I've taken out money successfully multiple times at different moments. You can see the specific details, like dates and withdrawal amounts, listed here. Check out the record of all my earnings transferred from the Xtream Battle App to my Pay wallet. The transaction history and secure payment proof are available for your review. Secure transaction done. I've taken out money successfully multiple times at different moments. You can see the specific details. This shows that the process of taking out money works well. If you have any questions or need more details, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Don't forget to leave your comments and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for exciting videos coming soon. Thank you.